Hey everybody, this is Mr. Meredith. I'm the middle school 6th, 7th, and 8th grade phys ed teacher. Just in the gym here running some laps, getting ready for the school year. I'm looking forward to having all you guys in class. Hope you're ready to go. We're going to concentrate on fitness this year. We're going to be doing a lot of fun activities, doing some outdoor stuff, lots of outdoor stuff early on. School's going to look a little different, but when we get outside, we're going to have a lot of fun. There's Miss Ruse. She's right there. She's the elementary teacher. She'll be talking to you guys sometime also. But I also teach health class. If you have my health class, we'll be working on our physical and our social and our mental health, and study things like nutrition, studying diseases like the COVID-19 virus. Whew, I think I'm on mile 8. It's getting pretty tough. I've been a Bulldog here. It's my 21st year teaching. I'm a Covington Buccaneer graduate. I'm also the cross country and track coach. So we're really into fitness. So make sure you got your gym shoes. Make sure to wear some gym clothes to school if you got my class. And I'm really looking forward to having you. So we'll see you kids September 8th. Be ready for school. Whew. I think I just ran a marathon.